We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. La 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. La 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. La 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. La 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 la.
Just to turn it on. Oh, I have to plug it in. Okay, that makes sense.
Cast away the old year past.
Okay, here goes my Clark Griswold moment.
How the new year lags and lasses. La 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 la.
Yes.
La la la. Sing with
This is the Smart Life app, and you can see that I changed the name of my socket to Christmas lights. So I did that by using the little pencil, and then I just typed it in there. I saved it. If I want to turn them on, I can just push the power button. Yay! I went to the app, Alexa, and I went to the devices there, and then I added the device. So I went to your smart home skills and then to enable. I searched for Smart Life. And then I enabled the skill. So now, I'm so glad I did this while my dishwasher was on. Alexa, turn off the Christmas lights. Alexa, turn off the Christmas lights. Okay, now I'm just yelling at myself. Alexa, turn off the Christmas lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the Christmas lights.
Okay.
Alright, we got it.